Hey guys, if you're trying to install the NVIDIA app but keep getting the error 0x80070005 Installer Failed, don't worry. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Let's get started. First, open your Start menu and go to Settings. Next, click on Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll down and look for WebRoot or any other antivirus software you're using. Click the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. Click Uninstall again and confirm with Yes. You may be asked to enter some characters. Go ahead and type them in, then click Continue. Now, restart your PC to make sure the antivirus is fully removed. Once your PC restarts, download the NVIDIA app again from the official website. Run the installer, and this time, it should install without any issues. After you've installed the NVIDIA app, you can reinstall WebRoot or whatever antivirus software you were using before. And that's it. You should now be able to install the NVIDIA app without getting installation errors. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.